In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your submitted rental application on Zillow desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to find your application, understand what each status means, and confidently review the details you submitted. Start by opening Zillow.com in your desktop web browser and sign in with the same account you used to apply. This part is important. Applications are tied to the exact account you used when you submitted, so if you have more than one login, make sure you're using the correct one. After signing in, give the page a moment to load your personalized dashboard. Next, head to your Renter Hub. This is the central dashboard where Zillow keeps your saved homes, messages, and applications in one place. You'll usually find it after you sign in by opening your account menu and choosing the Renter Hub option. If you land on a different page, no problem. Navigate back to your account area and look for the Renter Hub label. Once you're there, you'll see a section dedicated to applications. In the Applications area, Zillow groups your activity to make it easy to scan. You'll see completed applications, which are fully submitted and ready for review by the property manager. You'll also see applications in progress, which means you started but didn't finish submitting. There may be invited applicants, which indicates you were invited to apply but haven't completed everything yet. And you might notice an archived section for older or withdrawn applications. If you have a lot to sort through, click View More to expand the list so you can see everything at once. When you find the rental you want to review, click it to open the full application. On the application page, you'll see the property address and the details you provided during submission, such as your rental history and employment or income information. If screening reports like credit or background checks are included for that application, they'll appear here as well for landlords. Zillow may ask you to verify your identity before showing sensitive screening data. That extra step helps protect your information, so follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification if it appears. That's it. Sign in with the correct account, go to your Renter Hub, open the Applications section, expand with View More if needed, and select the specific application to view everything you submitted. If something looks off, first confirm you're in the right account and viewing the correct property. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find and review your submitted rental application on Zillow.